Hi everyone. Ali Partasha and I are going to be presenting the professional development plan for the Urban Assembly High School of Arts and Technology, which is my school, located in District 3 on the Upper West Side. The vision and mission of the schools have changed over the last few years, I want to say 2 years, and the current vision is to create a shared understanding of what a robust discussion looks and sounds like to elevate reading and writing skills and the criteria of success for students. It is very instructionally driven because that has always been the area of focus for our school and it continues to be. The mission has also changed, and the current mission and the mission that will be for next school years is the mission of the High School of Arts and Technology is to provide students with the academic, interpersonal, artistic, and technological skills needed to achieve excellence in post-secondary opportunities in their chosen careers. It was changed to include the artistic because we realized that's in our name. And we wanted to make sure that our mission highlighted all aspects of what we do as a school and the type of students we want to graduate from our school.